Hi guys, my name is Ole from Iceland en route, and in this short video I'm gonna talk to you about our private tours, our private photography tours, and just private general tours.
You never guess the places that I've been. You never guess the places that I've been. 'Cause everything is like a dream, yeah, but only in that dream that I live in. I'm never gonna.
We are a photo tour agency, and though we primarily are in that business of doing photo tours, both private and workshops, we also do regular tours. So everybody should be able to find something suitable for them. How to choose what to do. On our website, enroute.is, we have everything we offer, and well, not everything we offer, because these private tours are custom tours. So if you have something in mind and you did some research elsewhere and you want us to and you wanna do that, this is not a problem. But this site is a very good tool to get yourself started, at least. So first you will see, if you scroll down on the front page, you will see our photo workshops. Photo workshops are sold per seat. These are not private tours which we are talking about here. However, these are nice routes. For example, this here, Northern Lights in South Iceland, this is a winter tour. And Winter Wonderland in North Iceland, this is also a winter tour. These are tested routes, and they are very good. We do this a lot, and there's a reason why the itinerary is like it is on these two trips. These are all international tours. If you want to check on that, please do. Here we have our day tours, which is, you know, kind of the reference you might want to have for planning your own private tours. You know, you could obviously do everything, and that would be a round tour, you know, around the country. And it depends on the season you choose. In the summer, everything is doable here. In the winter, the highlands, this here, Landmannalaugar, Kerlingafjöll, and also the west fjords of Iceland are not easy to travel in the winter. It's doable, it's not easy, and but all the other are doable year round. So, for example, the two of the most popular tour we have are this South Coast of Iceland tour and the Glacier Lagoon tour. And people generally, this is a 2-day tour actually, but because it is a 5-6 hour drive from Reykjavik. So what people do, because to get to Glacier Lagoon we have to pass the South Coast. So this is a nice combo, you know, you do the South Coast of Iceland, do the Glacier Lagoon, and maybe do some of the South Coast of Iceland on the way back. This is a really nice 3 or 4 day tour, you know. Then you can add Golden Circle, add a day, and Snæfellsnes Peninsula, amazing place, you know. Even if this is a 1-day tour, I recommend, if you do have the time, to spend 2 days here. This is sometimes called miniature Iceland. It has a lot, and especially if you're a photographer, it is truly an amazing place to shoot at. So check out our website and contact us, you know, for advice and for quotes. So when we talk about the photography part of Iceland en route, there are well, in private tours, anything goes. You can be a complete beginner, and you need a lot of assistance to both pick your composition, technical issues, learning your camera, learning how to shoot in front light and backlight, just learning basic photography skills. Then we have the intermediate guys that have, they know their stuff. They might need a little help, picking location and some technical issues maybe. And it's always nice to have a local to get to the right places at the right time. And also, if you're an expert and you really don't need any assistance per se with technical stuff or composition, you just need to go to the right places at the right time and not want to spend all your time in scouting, or have someone who knows the area to scout with you. If you want to add models to your landscape, we can arrange model shoots for you. Or if you don't want to do a landscape at all and you just want to focus on model shooting or whatever, we can take care of that. We can take care of models, hair and makeup, wardrobe, whatever you need. And also, if you need to get to places which are difficult to go to, we have monster trucks for that. We can arrange helicopters, we can arrange airplanes for aerial shooting. Whatever you might need, we got you. Mixed tours are something that we have become very good at. Mixed tours are tours that where we have photographers, and maybe then we have other family members who are not into photography. Standard tours, non-photography tours, which are just basic travel tours. And then we have standard tours with a photographer, with a professional photographer as your guide. He will then take pictures of you and your group, and you will get those pictures when you leave. Because these tours are private, we can do anything you want. And to suggest something, if you want to walk on glacier or see an ice cave, we got you. If you want a picture of yourself under the northern lights, if you want to relax in a geothermal pool or do a spa thing, or we got you. Heli ski, diving, binge drinking, whale watching, you can even see a whale penis. We actually have a museum for that. Whatever you like, we got you. Just send an email to Kristín, our vacation planner, and she will make all your dreams come true. We at Iceland en route are very good at what we do. We are, our guides are a special breed of people. You need to be a guide, a good guide. You need to know a lot of things about Iceland. You need to know a lot of things about current affairs, history, volcanoes. They have to know a little bit about everything basically that happens here in Iceland. And they are expert photographers. And they also have a passion for our country. They have a passion for photography, to shoot with you. They have a passion to teach you both technical things on the fields, composition, and also they will show you how they edit, how they do post-processing. When we choose our vehicles for these tours, we are primarily thinking about comfort. My car is a Chevrolet Suburban, the car I use for my private tours, a new one. It has a capacity of 6 passengers, leather seating, Wi-Fi. You can charge your computer, you can charge your phone, you can have your music, you can hook your music up to the media system, there's television there, there's everything about comfort. If you need more information, please contact us. You have contacts info here in the description. Talk to Kristín, talk to me, check us out on TripAdvisor. We have very good reviews, and just don't hesitate. If there are any questions, no obligations, just contact us and ask. Thank you.